If you're creating Canva templates to sell, stop using the Canva library for everything and let me show you what I do instead. So one mistake that I see beginners make when creating and selling Canva templates is relying on the same Canva library images and graphics everyone else is using. Instead, I use Canva AI to create unique graphics and images that make my templates feel more unique and really stand out. And it's honestly easier than what you might think. Now, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Lauren Keys, and I've created and sold thousands of Canva templates. And so in this video, I'm going to show you a Canva AI feature that I use whenever I'm creating templates to sell, why I prefer using this feature over searching for images and graphics inside the Canva library, and how you too can start using it in your own Canva templates designs as well. All right, so let's jump into Canva and I'm going to walk you through this. So, if you are learning how to create and sell Canva templates, this is one of the biggest things that's really going to help make your templates stand out. So, when you're looking for images and graphics, you come to the left-hand side here and you click on elements. And what you'd usually do is you would type in what you are looking for up here. So, for example, I'm going to type in a tropical palm tree in a pot, for example. Now, if we go down here to photos, we can see all these photos here, right? And so they look pretty good. Keeping in mind that all these nice looking ones, they actually are a premium image, which you'll need to have a pro plan to use. But also when you're creating and selling Canva templates, you do not want to be using any pro elements, pro images, graphics, fonts in your templates whatsoever. So you want to avoid these. So what I like to do is this instead. So if we have a look up here, so this is where I typed in what I was searching for. What I'm going to use, I'm actually going to use the Canva AI feature, which over here, it's the little star sign and it says generate. And so what we're going to do here, I'm going to just be a little bit more specific with what I want. So I'm going to say tropical palm tree in modern stone color pot. And instead of hitting search, I'm going to click on generate. And so it's going to create me an image that I can use in my templates. Okay, so it's finished generating those images. Now, I love these images. These are just so stunning. So this is what I would do. So right here, this is an example. These are some templates that I sell. They're called sales theme templates. So basically, they help display your digital products for your landing pages, social media, your website. And so what I want to do is create some more images that I can put into the actual design itself. Just use this as an example. All right, so I'm going to use this image here. And the quality of that is amazing. And then from here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit background remover up here. And that's just going to remove the background so I can easily just place that behind my mock-ups here. So I'll put that in the background there and I'm going to send that to the back. And to do that, you just go to position up here and then just backwards. And so that looks quite nice there. And basically that is how I am creating images with Canva AI for my templates. So the reason I like creating the images in this way is because if you look over here, a lot of the really nice images, they are pro images. And so you don't want to be using any pro elements or features in your templates, because if your customer does not have a Canva Pro account, they're not going to be able to download the template. They're going to be asked to pay, and it's not a nice customer experience. So you're better off just going and creating your own images in this way. So I'm going to show you another quick example. So these graphics here, these flowers, the candle, I did this exactly the same way. So basically I just went and I typed in pink roses in modern stone vase. Now if we click search and use the Canva library, this is what you are going to get. Now, there's nothing wrong with the images inside the Canva library, but when you've got hundreds of other sellers using the exact same images, your templates, they don't really they just look the same old, right? And so as you can see, a lot of the nicer looking images, they are pro features, which you want to stay away from. So let's just hit that generate button here and let Canva AI create something for us. And I think this is quite nice, this one here that it has generated for us. So let's use that one and let's remove the background. Keeping in mind, you don't have to remove the background. I'm only doing that because this just fits what I'm actually doing here, but you obviously could use these images as covers for your ebooks, images in your social media templates, etc. And there we have it. That's another graphic there that I could use. Probably doesn't really match up with the themes here, but yeah, I just wanted to show you as another quick example there. We'll just delete that. And by the way, if you're wondering what these templates are, the templates that I'm working on here, they're actually included in my digital CEO template bundle, which is basically, it's just a collection of done for you Canva templates that you can customize, brand, and sell as your own digital products. If that's something that you're interested in, the link will be down in the description there somewhere. And here's another quick little example that I want to show you. So I created some real cover templates. These were actually like a bestseller. And the images that I used in these, I created within the Canva AI image generation feature. And the reason why they sold so well was because the images were just so unique. Like there was nothing else like that out there. A lot of people think AI has replaced selling Canva templates as a digital product and that nobody's buying them anymore. And honestly, I don't think that's true at all. The truth is, busy business owners don't want to be spending hours trying to figure out prompts, generating image after image, tweaking them, refining them, and then hoping they'll finally get something that they like, okay? They want something that's already beautifully designed where they can simply swap the text, change a few of the colors, maybe add in a photo, and then they're ready to publish. That's why editable Canva templates are still saving people so much time, and in my opinion, they're still a fantastic digital product to sell. And if you're still trying to figure out what type of digital products you might want to create as a beginner, I've also put together a free resource guide called Digital Product Ideas for Beginners in the AI Era, where I cover traditional style as well as AI powered digital products and help guide you towards the best fit for you. I'll leave that linked for you below. And be sure to watch this video here if you're new to selling Canva templates, where I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell Canva templates step by step, plus a few mistakes that you want to avoid along the way.